Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a first move sloop. Knowing how to do a first move already would be really helpful, and knowing how to lead footwork would be helpful. I'll put links to clips for those things in case you want to go back and have a look and make it easy and quick for you to find them. But we'll jump straight in. The move on its own looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's break it down. It starts off like a standard first move. Man's left, lady's right, semicircle, push. We go back, we come in side by side, we twist the lady out, and guys want to weight the back foot, okay? Also a good idea to collect the full width of the lady's back with that right arm. From here, we're going to take a step forward together, keeping the hand low. So there's our walk. From here, we're going to bring the inside leg through the middle, up, and it's almost like you're backpedaling on a bicycle because it's going to come through, up, over, long step back, dragging the front foot. We slide it in, into the twist out, and then it's a standard twist out so the guy feels like he's in front of the lady. And we just finish the first move off. In, under and face, return and back. Same thing from the other side, so you get the other view, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, in, 2, twist, 3, step, 4, sloop, 5, slide, 6, twist 7, in 8, turning 1, facing 2, returning 3, and back 4. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a first move sloop. We go a back, in, twist, step, sloop, slide, twist, in, under and face, return and back. And that is that. Hope you find it good fun out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the moves, subscribing promotes the channel, so big thank you to everyone who does that. And the notification bell will mean, as long as you've got notifications turned on, you'll get told every time a new video comes out. Windows come up in the last few seconds of the video. One of those will be a music recommendation to practice this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.